In today's video, I'm going to be working on a 2025 Ford F350 XL with the diesel. The truth. Alright, so I've been having some issues with my Ford truck. It is my work truck, but it's mainly on the floorboards, and I'll show you what I'm talking about here in just a second. So what it is my floorboards here are starting to wear through from where like the heel of my boot usually sits, and my truck did not come with floor mats. It only has how many miles are on this thing? 65,000 miles, 6,500. So yeah, that is extremely quick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get all the dirt and stuff out of here, and I've got some floor mats coming from Amazon. I'm going to test them out, and I'm actually going to do a long review on these floor mats, and I'll let you know how they work out. I think they were like 50 bucks on Amazon or something like that. I'll double check it here in just a minute. And of course I'm going to link them down below, but you guys won't see this until like probably February-ish. I'm recording this video. It is July right now. So I'm going to give you a 6 months or so of review on these floor mats. Now, I'm not sponsored by this CarPal company. I did purchase this stuff with my own money and going to be testing it out just to see how good it is. I know WeatherTech's really good. We have them in the Acadia, and yeah, haven't had a single complaint, but they're also pretty pricey. This is more of a reasonable price, so let's see if, the discount price gets you anything better, or at least equal. Now, quality-wise, I mean, this stuff seems pretty durable. It's not like I can rip it pretty easily. It's decently thick plastic, or rubber, I guess. It's not as firm as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more stiff. But, I mean, it still bends and moves however you need to get it in your car. But, yeah, how long will it last? I don't know. We're about to find out. So, I'm going to get this last one in the vehicle, and I will check in with you guys. For you, it's only a few moments. For me, it's going to be a few months from now. So, see y'all soon.
2,000 years later.
Alright, so we just got a decent little snowstorm last night. Nothing terrible, but it is starting to melt over there already. But let's go check on those floor mats that are in the truck. They've been there for about 6 months, give or take. We'll check the mileage on the truck so you can see the difference between the other footage that I took and this current footage. Alright, so yeah, they're kind of dirty. I haven't cleaned them up at all. Let's get them out of the truck and just hose them off really quick. Maybe if I can pop this thing out. Come on. Oh, there it goes. Oh god, that food dust everywhere. Alright, let's get these out of the truck. Oh, there it goes. Get them hosed off and just check the condition of them. Alright, so as I was drawing it off, I was looking at it, and it looks like I get a small indentation here from probably my heel whenever I'm working the gas pedal. But other than that, it's holding up pretty well. We'll go back in the truck and look at the mileage really quick, but yeah, so far it's holding up decently well. I mean, the backside, no real imperfections on the backside. You can easily see where my heel was tearing through here before I put those floor mats in, like you saw earlier in the video. And let's see what the mileage is. There we go. It's starting to load up. 17,853. So yeah, I put some miles on this truck. So far this driver's side one holding up pretty well. Like I said, the only issue I see here is just the indentation of my heel, which honestly for this pretty tough plastic, doing pretty well. And of course I'm going to link these down below, but the price of this thing wasn't terrible, so can't complain too much. Let's go look at the passenger side real quick, because I did have one complaint about that. So my only big complaint about the passenger side is there is no little holes to put this guy through at. Like, they don't exist. So it's slowly puncturing its way through on this side. And this side, you can see it bubbling up right there. But that's the only thing I really wish it had, was those plastic rings like it does on the driver's side for this one, and I think it's this one. But yeah, I can't even get it out, as it has this metal bracket in the way. But anyway, that's the only big issue I have with it, is the passenger side. It doesn't have those holes like it does on the driver's side. But if you look at the back seat, oh, sorry, got an air tank in the back. The back seat's holding up pretty well. My daughter sits this position, so all this is like dirt and stuff from her feet. But I mean, it's holding up really well, besides just dirt in general, but that's gonna happen. But honestly, pretty happy with these floor mats. Despite the passenger side not being perfect, but it's working. I don't think there's a way to pop these out. There might be. I don't know. I'd have to look more into it. But yeah, that'd be my only big complaint about these ones, is they're not perfect for the F350. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and get my driver's side one back in the truck. That way I can drive the truck to work tomorrow. Maybe if I can get it in here. There it goes. We're gonna snap these guys down into place again. Again, I wish the passenger side had these, but yeah, there it goes. Awesome. But yeah, would I recommend these floor mats? Honestly, I think so. As long as you're okay with that passenger side, and like I say, maybe there's some way you could take these little plugs out from the passenger side floor mats. But again, if you have carpet in your truck or whatever, it's not that big of a deal, unless you want to throw these down on top of the carpet just to preserve it. But I mean, does WeatherTech make a better pair? Probably, but you're also going to pay for that WeatherTech price too, which they do have a good quality product. I've used them in other vehicles, but I'm kind of cheap sometimes, so these get the job done without breaking the bank. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions or comments, hit me up in the comment section down below, and I'll try and answer them as soon as I can. See you guys in the next one.